This is my crazy chicken drumstick recipe. Here is how I make it. In a bowl, add vinegar, 1 lime and 1 lemon. Put some Israeli salt on it. Mix. And that is how I wash my drums. Discard that liquid. Move on. Capiche? Put your stick in a Ziploc bag and add 2 cups of orange juice. 4 tablespoons of tomatillos. Leave it marinating for 30 minutes. Our dry mix will have 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of complete seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon of tahini, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dill seeds, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cumin. Mix and try it. I add 1 teaspoon of Jewish salt. Capiche? Remove your drums from the bag. Add olive oil to it. Mix. In the meantime, preheat your oven for 350 degrees. Add your dry rub, all of it. Beautiful. Put it on a tray. Put it in the oven for 1 hour. On 350 degrees. Remove. Make sure that the internal temperature of your drumstick is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can eat like that, or you can go to the next level. Okay, let's move on. Cut your little red balls. On high heat, add olive oil to the pan. Add 1 stick and a half of butter. Add 2 cups of mushrooms. Add half a tablespoon of capers. 6 chopped garlic cloves. Add 6 Spanish olives. Add your cherry tomatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of honey mustard. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. On medium heat, add your chicken drums to the pan. Cook it for 10 minutes one side. After 10 minutes, add cilantro and scallion onions to your taste. Flip the chicken. Add yum sauce. Optional. Cook it for another 10 minutes. You are done. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Mario likes your interactions. This video was sponsored by TakiPaRyu.com. Visit Takipa Ryu online store and get some Cook Like a Boss t-shirt, mugs and beer cup. Capiche?
Tá aqui, pariu, meu.